Now we're going to talk about how to give the appearance of having a fully inflated balloon. Previously, I've mentioned that you never really want to completely inflate a 260 balloon because after you tie the balloon and start to manipulate it by creating bubbles and twists and ties, you're actually taking the inflated part of the balloon and moving it down to the uninflated part of the balloon. However, there are times, especially with one balloon creations, where you're only going to do one or two ties and you need to give the appearance of having a fully inflated balloon. Yet you still don't want it completely inflated because you need to still be able to work with it a little bit. Now let me show you how this works. I'm going to self-inflate this balloon to the point where there's about a 1/4 inch left uninflated. Now I'm going to take a little bit of air out, as I always do before I tie it, tie the balloon off, and then I'm going to fold it into thirds, and this is what I call a bear hug. I just push it up against my chest here, and now the balloon looks like it is completely inflated. This will allow me to easily work with it. Let's say I need to make a hat, for instance. I just make a move there, one little twist, and another little twist, and ta-da! I got a hat, and it looks like it's completely inflated, but in reality it's not.